How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to quickly fix that issue. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, we can just go over and check that our phone's volume is up and the option for silent mode and the vibrate option is off, and also the Bluetooth option is disconnected. And apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and clear out the cache for WhatsApp, hold it up and go to the info. And within the info, we can just go over and look out for the option called storage. And inside, tap on the option called clear cache and do so. If that does not work, we can even clear out the data. So tap on manage storage. And from there, go ahead and look out for the option called clear data and clear out the data from this section. Otherwise, we can update the application. So go to Play Store for that. And once we open up Play Store, go to the search and then search for WhatsApp and see if there is any kind of update available for it inside Play Store. And also close the WhatsApp completely and reopen it, and that should also fix it. And that's it. If nothing else works, it may be a hardware issue, so you can just go over and repair it as well. But for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.